My name is Megan O'Neill, and I am a professor of criminology in the School of Humanities, Social Sciences and Law, and I am also an associate director of the Scottish Institute for Policing Research. For most people, direct contact with the police is a rare occurrence. However, for some people, interacting with the police happens nearly every day. There are a wide range of explanations for this, many of which lie outside the control of any one individual. It can be down to a combination of factors, such as where they live, their appearance, their age, or even where they choose to spend their free time. Regular interactions with the police can have a significant impact, not just on individuals, but also on their communities. Policing is influenced by wider social, political, and economic forces, as well as through the policies, procedures, and choices made within police organizations. This means policing and fighting crime are actually quite complex processes. My work at the University of Dundee and with the Scottish Institute for Policing Research, our focus is to collaborate with police forces, both in the UK and in Europe. Our goal is to integrate research evidence into policing practices to make positive changes. We strive to identify what works and use this research to inform improvements in policing strategies. One significant project I worked on, alongside Professor Liz Aston from Edinburgh Napier University, involved reforming stop-and-search practices in Scotland. At the time, Scotland's stop-and-search rates were about 4 times higher than those of the London Metropolitan Police. In addition, the database for stop-and-search was flawed and unreliable. The primary target for stops was young people, sometimes younger than 12 years old. Professor Aston and I partnered with Police Scotland to evaluate a pilot program aimed at improving stop-and-search practices. Our findings played a crucial role in Scotland's national reform program. As a result, new legislation was introduced, along with a code of practice for stop-and-search procedures. Today, stop-and-search in Scotland is much more professional, targeted, and transparent, with a reliable database accessible online. The proportion of searches of young people have also reduced, especially for children under the age of 12. The transformation in Scotland's approach to stop-and-search has been so successful that police forces from various EU countries have reached out to us for advice on improving their own practices. I continue to work closely with Police Scotland, offering guidance on the development of stop-and-search and other policing strategies. My research aims to bridge the gap between academic insights and practical policing. By understanding the complexities of policing and implementing evidence-based practices, I strive to contribute to safer, more effective policing that benefits individuals and communities alike. Through my research, I aim to transform policing practices by integrating evidence-based strategies that promote fairness, transparency, and community trust. My work on reforming stop-and-search in Scotland has not only improved local policing, but also serves as a model for international law enforcement agencies, demonstrating how research can lead to meaningful change.